February 11th, Paris. 4 scientists arrive at an ordinary apartment building, carrying with them 10 years of research. Today, they are not coming to a laboratory. They are coming to someone's home. Because for people living with ALS, the laboratory must come to them. Inside lives Nicolas, a husband, a leader, president of Institut Charcot, and a man living with one of the most devastating neurological diseases known to medicine.
Hello, I'm Endo Kabashi, Director of Research at Institut Imagine in Paris. I'm also VP of Research of ARSLA, the French ALS Association, and co-founder of Institut Charcot. ALS is a drastic disease that leads to loss of motor function and speech, with 5,000 to 8,000 affected in France and living with this disease, and 100,000 worldwide, with no treatment for the majority of patients.
Patients are fully conscious. They think, they feel, they simply cannot act. This is why scientific innovation is essential, because technology may become the only bridge between the brain and the world.
Today, something extraordinary is about to be tested. The team prepares a radically new brain-computer interface, developed by Intelimensa based on more than a decade of research at the Transylvanian Institute of Neuroscience. Its goal is simple: restore real-time control using only brain activity, a step toward accessible and easy-to-use neural control interfaces for humanity.
Think about the possibility to use the brain to control directly devices without using your limbs, your hands, your legs, your voice. This is something that is called the brain-computer interface, and it's a very complicated technology that has to be fast enough in order to allow you to control the certain interface. Such technology was not available until a few years ago because we did not know exactly how to interpret and read the brain signals from outside of the skull. At the Transylvanian Institute of Neuroscience and Intelimensa, we have developed a fast technology that is able to harvest these waves from the surface of your scalp and transfer them into fast, reliable commands. Such a technology has a lot of applications, including in healthcare, in defense, in entertainment like gaming. But the most important and most interesting application that we see right now is to help paralyzed patients regain control.
At first, nothing happens. Control is difficult.
It's so hard.
Signals are unstable. Learning to operate a brain-computer interface is like learning to move a completely new muscle inside the mind. Minutes pass. The room grows silent. Everyone knows this moment matters. And then something changes. A signal stabilizes.
Yeah, you see? Yeah, good.
A command responds.
Good job.
You got it.
For the first time in years, Nicolas is not just thinking. He is acting. What begins as a test becomes a moment of joy. Nicolas pilots a spacecraft through a high-speed game, collecting colors, winning medals. Not with hands, not with voice, but directly with his brain. This was not just a successful experiment, it was proof that deep neurotechnology can restore agency, dignity, and connection. For ALS patients, real-time brain interfaces may transform how they communicate, work, and live. This achievement was made possible through collaboration between Intelimensa, the Transylvanian Institute of Neuroscience, and Institut Charcot in Paris, with the support of the Romanian Executive Agency for Higher Education, Research, Development, and Innovation Funding. Because restoring control should never be impossible.